Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to use the wastage from your fluid art. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You can use the wastage from any of your art projects to create interesting designs on cards, ceramics, and much more. Here, I'm going to use a card, a bookmark, a notepad, and a ceramic star decoration. All you need to do is place the item in the wastage and make sure to dry it on a level, plastic-covered surface. Once your wastage is dry, you can peel it off the drip tray to reveal your design. It will be different on both sides and will be like a plastic texture. You can use this to create interesting patterns on all your crafts. For more fluid art techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.